brings electricity to all rural schools. Class 10 and 12 board exams in Punjab postponed by a month amidst COVID surge. British Council hosts virtual Study UK Student Connect for Indian students. Primary schools open in Kashmir after a year. 12 teachers of a school in Telangana test positive for COVID-19. Kids are skipping school due to surge in COVID-19 cases. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Nitya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: almost half of the total 2,167 rural primary and upper primary schools in Nagaur, a central district in Rajasthan, have been deprived of electricity for several decades. But this isn't the case anymore. Under the Ujja scheme launched by the district administration in June 2020, all but 13 schools have since been electrified, says a district education officer. With this, Nagaur is set to become the first district in the state to provide power supply to all rural schools. In a letter written to district collectors on March 2, 2021, the Rajasthan Planning Department directed them to replicate the Nagaur model in a state where 11,154 schools are without electricity. Over the last 9 months, the district administration persuaded companies, individual and political representatives to donate funds for the installation of electric poles and fans in schools. In addition, Ajmer Vidyut Vitran Nigam Limited, a state-run power distributor, was directed to provide connection under the domestic category. With the state of Punjab registering a sharp surge in COVID-19 cases, the Punjab School Education Board on Monday announced the postponement of the final exams of classes 10 and 12 by about a month. The move comes as there is no letdown in new infections. The state recorded 1,843 fresh cases and 27 deaths on Monday, with Amritsar District Administration making it mandatory for all those attending social gatherings in the holy city to produce a COVID-19 negative report or proof that they have been vaccinated. In a statement, the PSEB said the exams of Class 10 will now start from May 4th instead of April 9th, while that of Class 12 will start from April 20th instead of March 22nd. The British Council is hosting a virtual Study UK Student Connect for Indian students and professionals who want to study undergraduate and postgraduate courses in the UK in 2021. Participants would get the opportunity to book exclusive appointments with 10 UK universities, attend live sessions by subject experts, and get all the information about courses, admission process, scholarships, modes of study, and more. In the first leg, there were webinars from March 8th to 12th, while from today, exclusive meetings with participating universities are being held. The event is beneficial for those who are preparing for the September 2021 intake. Additionally, students can attend seminars delivered by the UK Visas and Immigration on student visas, the new graduate route, and the British Council for information on living and studying in the UK and scholarship. The event will end on March 19th. Primary schools opened in Kashmir on Monday, a year after being shut due to the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. The students from nursery to class 5 started attending schools, though in a staggered manner, to maintain social distancing and avoid crowding. The students and teachers wore masks and used hand sanitizers. While many parents have decided to send their wards to the schools, there is still general anxiety among the parents as well as teachers owing to the pandemic. 12 teachers and 2 others at a government school in Mancherial district of Telangana on Monday tested positive for COVID-19, an official said. COVID-19 tests were conducted for 55 people in the school after a teacher tested positive, she said. Out of the 55 people, 14, including 12 teachers, a cook, and a student, were found positive. All 14 were asymptomatic and they have been advised home isolation. Sanitization has been taken up in the school and tests would be conducted on Tuesday for the contacts of those who were found to have contracted the infection. With an increase in COVID cases, many schools have started to report a dip in attendance in the recent weeks. With exams around the corner, both school authorities and parents are worried about the impact this could have on their ward's health. A school principal said, when COVID cases were seeing a downward trend, we used to get a lot of inquiries over offline classes. However, now the trend has reversed and parents are reluctant to send their kids. Rajeshwar K, a parent, said, the increase in COVID cases is definitely a worrying trend. As the Education Minister S. Suresh Kumar announced that the next academic year will start from July 15th, we prefer to wait and watch. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, theENN.com, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Signing off, Nitya.